So, Mr. Nitin, I get this feeling that your engagement in the development work and some of the work that you've been able to impact that you've been achieved is pretty kind of interesting, exciting. Is there enough effort from the foundation, and do you think is there enough effort within the sector to kind of share some of this work with the larger world?
Yeah, that is one thing lacking in this development space, that both in terms of sharing your best practices and also in receiving.
Okay.
The sector needs to be more proactive, open, and receptive. I would take that onus and be partly responsible for that, because we ourselves have not shared some of our best practices. For example, we feel we have one of the best practices for the audits. That we have a audit rating tool which we have created with the help of experts and with our own understanding in the banking industry, which I think is one of a very good model. We could have taken it out to the sector, but we haven't. Similarly, I should also be receptive to some of the good work that is happening elsewhere. A lot of corporate foundations are doing good work. The sector is just engaging itself into sharing the best practices, but it's a work yet unfinished.
So a lot needs to happen.
Today, in fact, I'm coming out of a conference which was the collaboration was the word. Collaboration was the headline for that conference. So there is a lot of intent, but that intent to translate into action is something that is it will take some more time. We are on that journey. It will take some more time.
What's your sense of what is holding people back? Why is it not happening?
Primarily, I think the collaboration, the corporate civil society collaborations is not very old. It's just that while there were well-meaning organizations who were doing corporate philanthropy even before the CSR, it's only after the CSR that seriousness has come across the sector. So there are many players now. It's like banking industry. It took many years for them to get into that consortium mode of lending. That is what has enabled them to scale. So similar consortium is what is needed in sector. For that, first of all, the NGOs and the corporate funders should create the first partnerships. NGOs together between them should have a partnership. Funders within them, they have capabilities that can complement each other's. So it should. We have few success stories where we have done. We have shared our best practices with entities like Tata Trust or Bharat Rural Livelihood Foundation. We have formally collaborated, and we are seeing a good measure of success there. It's just that it has to widen there. But to answer your question, we as a foundation taking our capabilities outside and showcasing it? Maybe not enough. We need to more, and I resolve to do more.